after the four mayors in the previous days tried to get office by using force. KFOR was there to prevent further escalation of the protest, and on 29 in Zvecanu municipality a big protest showed up, and trying to interpose between the parties, KFOR soldiers were involved in a violent protest. During the protest, many KFOR soldiers were injured by throw stones, improvised explosive ordnance, and use of weapon. It was clear that where people were trying to manifest and to protest in a peaceful way, but it was also clear that behind them was hiding some criminal groups just trying to attack KFOR troops. After these big protests, many soldiers from Italian and Hungarian contingent were injured by bars and stones and also explosive ordnance. At the beginning, there were 11 from Italian contingent and 19 from the Hungarian contingent. In the following days, some more showed up with minor injuries. They were not in threat of life, and after they were recovered by KFOR sanitarian and medical assets in the KFOR structures, and now they almost are transported back to their nations to have the medical treatment.